Hello, dear kids. Today we will continue through Alma's story. Okay. So where did we stop in my yesterday's lecture, previous lecture? You had seen that there is a girl Alma whose father and grandfather had died in the tsunami. Okay. So let's understand what happened next to her family and herself. Okay. Alma's mother and aunts stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree. Means लटक गए थे वो. Clinging means लटक के रहना. So on a coconut tree, calling out to her, means they were in fact calling her, means they were shouting on each other, means calling each other's name. A wave uprooted the tree. Now what happened? The wave uprooted the tree. What do you understand by uprooting? Means the tree was removed from the ground. Okay, वो टूट के अलग हो गया था पेड़. And they too were washed away, and they also washed away, means they also moved away from that place. Okay, because of the force of water. Almaz saw a log of wood floating. Okay, log of wood floating. Log of wood floating means which wood can float. The doors can float, and there are so many woods. Almost each and every wood can float on the water. So what did she do? She climbed onto it. She climbed on that wood. She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. What happened next? She fainted. चक्कर आ गया उसको. Means she just got uneasy and fell asleep. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamorta. Okay, Kamorta is a place in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, now we are in the next page, in the page number 27, and she found herself in a hospital in Kamorta. Okay, from there she was brought to Port Blair. Okay, from that place she was brought to Port Blair. Okay, the little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. She is still traumatized. It means the incident happened in the year 2004. But the girl still is unable to talk about that incident because she saw her family dying right in front of her eyes. So that moment is much more dangerous for a person to face death of a family members of our own. So how does it feel? We can just imagine, but what that person suffers through can be felt by that person only. Okay, so this is all about this section. Now here is the comprehension check. Okay, see the questions. Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Okay, say whether the following are true or false. Okay, now you need to just read it again. I'm giving this task to you. You need to read the text again and find out all these five sentences are true or false. Second sentence, Sanjeev made it to a safety after the tsunami. Third one, okay, third one, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. Fourth one, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. And fifth one, her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. Okay, now you need to just read it again and find out whether all these are true or false. Okay, last one is true, rest should be done by you. Every time I tell one or two answers, rest should be done by you. Okay, now let's come to this according to this lesson, this is the second section of the lesson, and this is my second lecture also. Okay, now what is there? As you can see, there is a picture of a girl. Who is this girl? Can you see the picture of a girl? Okay, and who is this girl? Let's understand. Tilly Smith. Who is she? Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Plunket Beach in Thailand. Okay, so now we'll talk about the Thailand. We'll talk about Thailand. Above story was about Andaman and Nicobar. Now this is about Thailand. Okay, and then what happened here? Through she was won a number of awards, and she was awarded by the local government also, and so many governments. Maybe she was recognized worldwide. Her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Okay, so this is also very much genuine thing for a parent who have planned that their daughter should not come in the television, and she should not feel glamorous, and she should, because what happens, it increases your ego if you just show off a lot. If you show off your bravery, if you show off a lot of your work, then you become a little Proudy. So that is the reason her parents did not allow the interviewers to take her interview. Why do you think they took that decision? Okay, so let's see why they must have taken that decision, that not allowing her daughter to get interviewed. Okay, to get interviewed. So let's see what is mentioned in the task. Now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Okay, what is this word southern? If it was northern, Northern was would have been the spelling. इसको southern कोई नहीं पढ़ेगा. The actual word is southern, Southern. Okay, southern Thailand. Okay. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Okay, so now here we are talking about Tilly. Tilly had an elder sister also. She was 7 years old, and her sister was 7 years old, and she was 10 year old. So Tilly was elder sister of that girl, and her parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Okay, so now what happened on 26th of December 2004? Let's understand. Okay, it was 26th of December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. So already tsunami had struck different islands. So Thailand was also one of them. So what happened there? They had been triggered by a massive earthquake off northern Sumatra earlier that morning. Okay, they had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra. So that was the place, northern Sumatra. So in the same day, what had happened? It had struck to uh, that particular place. In which time? That earlier in the morning. Okay. So already the news was there. And then what happened next here? The water was swelling and kept coming in. Swelling means the level of water was increasing and it was coming inside. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. Now, here, Penny observed something weird in the beach, and she observed that the beach is getting smaller and smaller. It means water was just trying to come, trying to just cover the land area. Okay, so that is the reason she did not understand what is going on, because suddenly, if anything suddenly naturally happens, we can't even imagine what is going on, right? So this was in the page number 27. Now let's take page number 28. Okay, so what has happened in page number 28 in this story, we will understand. Okay, so let's see what Tilly shares with the people, or what was her experience. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Okay, Tilly Smith sensed means she felt something weird, something bad is going to happen. Okay, so her mind kept going back to geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before. Okay, she flew out to Thailand with her family. Okay, when she flew out means through the aeroplane they reached Thailand from their native country, and when they reached Thailand, just 2 weeks before, she had learnt a lesson of geography by her teacher. Okay, so she just guessed something about tsunami. It means she was taught about tsunami or something natural disaster. Okay, so what did she learn and what did she experience? Let's see. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam, bubble and form whirlpools. Okay. Now what did she observe? She saw that the sea is rising means बढ़ रहा है, बड़ा हो रहा है water level, and start to foam. Foam means बहुत double हो जाना size में. Foaming means increase in size. Okay. Bubble and form whirlpools, and it also causes whirlpools. Whirlpools means a kind of water twister. पानी में भंवर बनता है सर्कुलर शेप में. द मूवमेंट ऑफ सर्कुलर movement of water in circular shape. Okay, circular direction, not shape, but the water moves in circular direction. That is known as whirlpool. It can suck you inside, आपको अंदर की तरफ खींचता है whirlpool. ठीक है. So these things were happening in the water. Then what did she see? She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. So she was shown a video by her teacher, the hit of a tsunami in the island of Hawaii. Okay, Hawaii. In which year? It happened in 1946. Okay, her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. Okay, earthquakes alone cannot cause tsunamis. Okay, earthquakes along with that volcanoes can also cause tsunamis, and landslides on the land can also cause tsunamis. If if all such disasters happen near a water body, okay, then they can cause tsunamis. Okay, so this is all about this particular section. This paragraph is over. Now let's see the next paragraph. Okay, this one. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. Now she started screaming, means she started shouting on her family. She was trying, as she was already scared and she did not want her family to be in trouble. Okay, she talked about an earthquake under the sea. Okay, and she, in fact, while shouting, she shared that it an earthquake must have happened inside the sea, under the sea. Okay, and she got more and more hysterical. Okay, hysterical means she got more and more uncomfortable. Okay, said her mother, Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. So, just seeing her daughter screaming a lot. Okay, so Tilly's mother shares her experience that uh, her daughter told her something about the disaster, and she was continuously shouting. So the mother realized that something wrong has happened. Okay, so that is the reason she is continuously shouting. Okay, so what happens next? It's mentioned in the next paragraph, and let's see what happens here. This is the next paragraph. Sorry, this is the next paragraph. Okay, so Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach. Now, when they sensed that something really wrong is happening here, they moved away along. Whole family moved away. Her parents took both the sisters away from that place to the swimming pool at the hotel. Okay, and they away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also felt the beach with them. Okay, left the beach. Sorry, the other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. What had happened? Now they were able to see that the sea is in higher peak, means the water level has increased terribly. Okay, I was screaming, run. So they was just shouting continuously, run matlab bhago yahan se daudo. Okay, such kind of scenes happen when natural disaster happens. Okay, when it's earthquake, it can happen that you need to run immediately. Okay, the family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. Now they entered the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of three tsunami waves. Okay, so it withstood means the building was quite okay when the tsunami waves hit it. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. What does it mean? They would have died if they were on the beach. Okay, the building was strong enough to save their life, and they took the shelter inside that three-story building, and they were, sorry, first in the third floor of that building. Okay, so this is how they saved their life. Okay, now let's move to this page. The last paragraph of this page. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson. They had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. Her terrifying tale means Daravni Kahani. Okay, so and she shared her experience with her classmates, means the students which were there with her in the same class. She shared her experience, and she was actually uh, awarded for this. Why did she get the award for this bravery? Because she just woke up everybody, and because of that, Smith's family, rest of the people who were there near the beach, they also sensed something wrong is happening, because they shouted and they screamed, and everyone got this particular news that there is something terribly wrong with this place, and they started running on the third floor. And this is how tilly tilly has the credit of saving so many lives. Okay, So this was Tilly's story, and let's see what will be there in the next story. Okay, so there is comprehension check also, and we will go with comprehension check in my next lecture. Till the time, I want you to read this section, means both the sections which we have done again and again. Okay, so that you will understand it better. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.